friends today. So I'm meeting with my friends today in Makati. We're just gonna catch up and hang out and stroll around. So that's probably what we're gonna do today. It's my car.
Sabi tayo, Brie.
Huh?
Sige. Ano?
Kaya nga eh.
Ang ganda naman ni Brie. Hello, how are you guys? Sana okay pa kayo.
We haven't seen each other.
Or,
No! Last year? Ay, hindi naman. Yan.
hello, we're in Kazu. Kazu. Yeah.
I don't see her anywhere. Hi! I miss you! Hi! Wow, it's been so long. What do we order? Do you want to have dinner later or? Sure, yeah. Kami once. Ako rin, nagulat. Lapit kaya kayo?
Ano ba? USD.
What? We see a different mansion. Then it's okay. Pizza. Our pizza's here.
Busog mo na lang. Busog mo na lang ba? Order ka ng pizza. Flakes? Chili flakes? You like? I like it. Kasi it's savory.
This is good.
I want it to be big. Ano? Even for me, I was like, what? I mean, we met for like, a couple of, parang 3 times pa lang.
Did that scare you off?
Okay.
Did that scare you off?
No. I was guarded.
What's your opinion about that? Because for me, that's too long. No one's gonna wait for that long.
Ayun ngayon, natutunan ko.
Unless he really, 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 really likes me.
He really likes me.
Pero he's old. He's not gonna wait for that long. You know.
I've learned to love him, which is really nice. Kasi I'm not that into him talaga. Kasi hindi naman siya
Yeah, I know,
nakakauwi.
I know. Wow.
There's ice cream in the middle.
Taste test. Just a tiny bit. Hindi na ako maglalagay sa plate. Okay. What does it taste like? Tikman mo. Tikman mo.
Okay. I haven't. Fuck. Give me my first bite.
Like it.
Not bad.
You like it? I kinda don't like it.
Parang siguro
I
I'd
mean,
rate
okay
it.
lang naman yun. I'd rate it.
6.
I
wanna see, guys.
Let's show
Diba?
it.
Yeah, yeah.
It's easier. What are you doing? Yeah, but like, it's like 3 different layers.
Yeah.
We have.
How about you try it guys with with the red one? The red
Okay, I'll try. Try it with the red.
Probably it's gonna taste different.
Oh my god, this is so hard.
Right.
Try it.
Okay. Got it. It's like a different. We have 3 different layers of. What is that?
That's
The matcha.
beans. Those are beans.
Yeah, long beans.
The red one. I don't like the beans.
How about the matcha? Does it taste like matcha? Not really, di ba?
I can't taste it nga eh. Hi.
Ay, kailangan ko i Now we're looking for
Bakit
yon.
driving pa?
Yung jowa ni Mags.
Ay, he's not driving. We're looking for Max's jowa.
The boyfriend.
And then we're gonna go for dinner.
Kakakain lang talaga niya.
I didn't eat that much. Hello. So, it was just pure coincidence. Oh, what are the odds?
Exactly. I was like, what the hell? What's she doing here? That's gonna make me feel better.
Today I'm just gonna do errands. I'm gonna pamper myself a little bit and I'm gonna go grocery shopping after. So I'm alone. I'm also planning to like buy like contact lenses because my eyes are like super blurry. I don't usually wear my glasses outside. Yeah. Looking for EO right now because that's where I'm gonna get my lenses from. I want like a grayish color for my contact lenses. I really hope they have it. I don't want to wait for another week just to have the color I want and the gray they have. Okay, I found it. This is EO. Let's see.
Hi ma'am, good afternoon. My name is Jom, ma'am. Ako mag-access sa inyo, ma'am. For contact lens, ma'am,
Yes.
clear or colored po?
Colored. Thank God they have like a free eye checkup because I don't know what my grade is anymore. Last time I checked, it's 200. I don't know if it went up. So let's see. I really want like a grayish color for my contact lens. Maybe something like this or charcoal maybe, or this peppermint.
Ma'am, kahit wait na lang. Patawagin.
Waiting for the doctor. I'm gonna get my eye checked.
You like it?
It's like bagay sa akin.
Ganyan more on magiging effect niya mo. Pero it depends pa rin sa pinakalapat ni contact lens sa
Ay,
eyes.
check. Saan ba dito?
Yan man. Kung saan cutting. For example, yung kasi ma'am, pinakita ko sa inyo is a French lens siya. Doon siya category yung gray na yun. Something gray ba lang yung gusto nyo? Or it depends po.
Sino-check ko
Illusion.
pa anong bagay sa akin. Okay for 1 year na.
Yes po.
Nice. Okay. I like this better.
That one. Yun na lang. Then may free na siya na solution, yung maliit na color pink na ganito. Eye drops mo, would you add?
Available ba tong chart?
Kukunin po yung slate gray with STK. Wala naman kami ginagawa.
Okay, I'm gonna try on my contacts now since I'm gonna go to the grocery store and I need to see. This is the lenses I want. It's grayish. I forgot what the actual color is.
Ito sir, 75, so kahit saan naman siya.
Pero yung mas mataas na
Ito na. So, tama. Mali
Tapos
naman.
naman,
Hindi naman siya blurry.
hindi ganun ka.
I kind of hate how it feels like because it's really like irritating my eyes, but it's fine. I mean, good thing about it is I can see, I guess. Yeah, I can see. This is like really like life-changing for me since I don't really wear contacts or glasses. I don't really wear those. I just wear this at home. And whenever I'm outside, my eyes are really like blurrish. So this is nice. I'm in my usual spot in I just went here to get some snack. I ordered strawberry pistachio swirl. It's one of my favorites. I really love anything pistachio. Anything pistachio is really good. I'm in Brow Lounge right now. I'm thinking if I should tidy my brows because it's really like thick. I don't know. Here's what my brow looks like right now. It's really on my way to the grocery store now. I don't want to take too long, honestly, because I really want to go home and rest after this. These are so cute. I'm gonna go inside. I saw this while I was walking. I'm like, check what's inside. That was a struggle. Brother. I'm in SNR now. I'm just gonna do like a little grocery shopping. Last time I was in MOA, I forgot to get some fruits and veggies. No, I forgot to get some fruits. I'm only gonna get a few things here because I don't wanna not follow my list. Get one of these. We have steaks right here. I'm planning to cook for dinner. But let's see. I swear I'm not joking. I just saw a huge rat here in SNR. He's just like running around.